Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You want immediate action. Scrape excess slime off skin and work on a clean, dry surface so you don't introduce more residue. Add activator, borax solution or contact solution, about 1/4 TSB at a time directly onto the slime. Why? Activator cross-links the polymers and reduces stick. Once added, fold and press the slime repeatedly, pausing to check tackiness. Make sure to mix thoroughly so the activator reaches the center. Small doses prevent overfirming while you learn how it responds. Once the slime starts to pull away but remains tacky, continue controlled adjustments. Add another 0.5 TSB activator and knead for 30-60 seconds. This tightens bonds without snapping. If it gets rubbery, add 1 to 2 drops of lotion and knead to reintroduce plasticizers. This softens feel and restores stretch. For slight sticky patches, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon baking soda into the center and knead until uniform. Make sure to test between additions so you don't overshoot the ideal texture. Finish by shaping the slime and placing it into an airtight container. Why? This prevents moisture loss and future stickiness. If your slime ends up too stiff, add 1 to 2 drops of warm water and knead thoroughly to relax the polymer network, then let it rest for 10-15 minutes. Make sure to sample small adjustments rather than large ones. Troubleshooting tip. If slime becomes sticky again after storage, rehydrate with a tiny drop of lotion or water and knead. If that fails, add a pinch of activator while monitoring texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.